In front of me is DOOGEE X95, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this Xiaomi. First of all, go into Play Store and click on the search bar. Then type in DevCheck. Now you need to get this free app from Flare to Developer, DevCheck device and System Info. When your app is ready, open it. As you can see, thanks to it, you can learn all the informations about your DOOGEE's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and even sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!